Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited, and I know it's been a while, but today I'm coming to you guys, why did I say it like that? So today I'm coming to you guys with a hair video. I'm going to be unboxing this wig that I just purchased literally last week. That's how fast it came. So I got some hair from Isee Hair. This is my first time ordering from this company. All right, so this is how the box look. It's so pretty and cute. It's very bougie. Okay, so then the back it just has like Google or whatever. And when I open the box, it is so cute. It looks just like this. It has all its social medias. It says Isee Princess. Oh, hey, my princess. Welcome to join the Isee Beauty Club. And here's the wig right here. And before I show you guys the wig, I'm going to tell you guys what comes inside the package. So here's some cute little goodies that you get when you order from Isee Hair. So the goodies that they give you guys is a wig cap. Most companies will always give you a wig cap. So it's just a little wig cap. And then I also got these cute lashes. They're 3D mink lashes. See if I can let you guys see it. There we go. So these are some cute 3D mink lashes. They're a bit skinny, but honestly I like the length. I like long lashes, as y'all can see. And then they give you a band. So this can be made to be sewn on your wig in case your wig doesn't fit. And also I feel like I can use these for my edges, so it's like a edge laying type of scarf or whatever like that. But really this is a band that you put in the back of your wig. At least that's what I use it for. And so then they just give you this cute little pamphlet. So now for the fun part is the hair. I ordered a 22-inch lace front wig, 13x4 lace wig to be exact. And I wanted to be different this time, so I went ahead and had a little fun and got me some colored hair. So I don't know if you are a hair freak, you will be familiar with this wig. I have looked it up on YouTube and I was doing my research on it, but this is this cute wig. I love it. I really don't go for 22 inches. Normally I'm a 30-inch girl. I never go above 26. I always be at 26 and down, but mostly 30. So this is really out of my comfort zone. I haven't worn 22 inches since I was in high school, so this is really different for me. So I'm anxious to see how it looks. You know, I'm really not gonna have that little, you know, a long girl, long hair type of look. This is a 13x4, and here is the laced front. As you can see right here, let me let y'all get it close. And they also apply these combs inside for when you apply your wig. Here we go right here. And so they already have it parted. This is 150 density. So yeah, they didn't have on this website, they didn't have a higher density. The highest that they had was 150%, I believe. And as I'm looking at this wig, it looks like the knots are already bleached. As y'all can see, it's already bleached, which I'm happy about because I did not feel like bleaching any knots. So I'm looking to see if the hairline is plucked, and it looks like they already plucked it. I will probably pluck it more because I really want that natural look. So, and this is how the lace looks on my skin tone. I would definitely be applying some makeup on the lace. So let's see, does this hair smell? So honestly, y'all, okay, I'm gonna be real with y'all. So y'all know, like, the beauty supply hair, it kind of smell like that just a little bit. It has that like beauty supply smell type of hair. I don't really like that, so we're gonna have to do something about that. When I ordered this hair, it was a highlight blonde silky Brazilian lace front wig. So it's made to look silky. So as y'all can see, kind of has that silk look to it. But it feels very silky. The hair is soft, it doesn't feel rough, and I'm able to run my hands through it. So there's really not any difficulties I'm having with that. Now let's check for the shedding. So I'm gonna do that. I don't have any shedding right now, but mind you guys, I feel like you don't really know if the hair sheds until you actually start wearing the hair. So I really don't want to like put my whole opinion on that yet, because all new hair is great, and then when you start wearing it, then it's a whole nother story. So I'm just telling you guys first impressions. So first impressions, absolutely no shedding, which is really great. So now I am looking for the flyaways. So there definitely is some flyaways. I don't like that. I actually hate flyaways, but as y'all can see, there's definitely some flyaways in the hairs at the top. So gonna have to fix that. So let's talk about the shipping. So I ordered this hair last Friday. So today is Friday, and I ordered it last Friday, and I received the hair on Tuesday. So that is about 3 days. Most of the time when you order hair, you'll get it in about like, I don't know, probably like 5 to 7 days or something like that. But this hair came so fast. So their shipping is really fast. And they initially told me that I was supposed to receive the hair today, but I received it, what, 3-4 days early? So today's Friday. I received it 2 days early. 3 days early, yeah. I received it 2 days early. So their shipping is very fast. So the price of this hair, mind you guys, let me just keep it real with y'all. I purchased this hair with my own money. So this is not sponsored. You guys don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I purchased this hair with my own money. So this wig cost $216. So I'm gonna be real with y'all. Now, can I say that it's worth the price just by looking at it? You know, because the hair does have a lot of flyaways or whatever like that. And then something that really bothers me about the hair is how the blonde doesn't go all the way to the hairline. I kind of don't like that. It kind of looks tacky, but maybe we can get away with that. And the reason why I chose this hair is because I wanted some brown hair, and I haven't really gone down the brown route. I'm always more of a color, bright, bold color girl, or just black, and I never really went for brown. And then this had like a hint of blonde, which is something that I like because I like loud colors. So I thought this was really cute. So yeah, you guys, that is my unboxing for Isee Hair. We're going to go ahead and apply this wig on my head, so make sure you stay tuned for my video that I will be uploading. So make sure you check that out so you can see how this wig looks. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can know every time I post a video. I will leave all the details in the description box. So bye y'all.